Om Gurunam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students, from your workbook, open page number 32. Page number 32. See here, fill in the missing numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is equals to 2 plus 3 plus dash is equals to 9. See here, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So 9. Here, one number is missing. So 2 plus 3, which is missing, you can write 4. Then you can add 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So what is this? This is associative property beta. Now next, 5 plus 6, that is equals to dash plus 3 is equals to 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Next, dash plus 3 is equals to 11 beta. You can write here which number? 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11. Next, dash plus 4 is equals to 12, that is equals to 5 plus dash. So 4 is added to 8, you can get 12. 8 plus 4, 12. Now 5 is added to 7, you can get 12. So 8 plus 4, 12. 5 plus 7, 12. Now next, 800 plus 0 is equals to dash, that is equals to dash plus 800. See here, 800 plus 0 means 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number, means you can write here 800. So here any number plus 0, 800. 0 plus any number, 800. Now next, 342 plus 456 plus 784, that is equals to 784 plus 456 plus dash is equals to 1582. So this is called as associative property. When three numbers are added, even if interchange the numbers by grouping, the sum remains the same. See here, 342 plus 456 plus 784, you can get 1582. See, you can change the order of the given numbers. So here 784, here 456 plus the remaining number is 342. Now next, 25 minus 5 is equals to dash is equals to 15 plus. Listen carefully later. See, 25 minus 5 you can get 20. So 15, 5 is added to 15, you can get 20. So in the dash you can write 5. So now next word problem. This is very important. Listen carefully. Uma has 685 rupees. She bought a skirt for 448 rupees. How much amount will she still have with her? According to our subtraction problem, you can do like this only. 685 minus 448. Then here 15 minus 8, 7. Next here 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 4, 237. But this problem you can do it by using number line. How it is possible? Number line and also using expanded form in it. So what I am saying, listen carefully. Okay. First of all, you can write the amount Uma. Listen carefully. The amount Uma will still have with her. Is equals to 685 minus 448. See, you can write, this is very simple method. Listen carefully. 685 minus 448, you can get 237 beta. Then 448, write their expanded form. So this is 400, here minus, this is 40, minus 8 is in one's place, minus 8. Listen carefully everybody. See here, you can write as well as rupees 685 minus 4 is in hundreds place. Then the face value what nana? 400. Then you can write minus 400 minus 40 because 4 is in tens place. 4 tens 40 and minus 8 rupees. First we subtract this 685 minus 400. What we get? Very simple. Yesterday I told. See, 285. Remaining is 40 rupees minus 8 rupees. Then you can do this is 285 minus 40, you can get 245. Then you can write it here 245 minus 8. So what we get beta? You can get 237. So therefore the amount remaining with Uma. Therefore the amount remaining with Uma is equals to 237 rupees by using expanded form. So now this is same you can use by number line. Using by number line. This is also very easy beta. So this is the very important concept. Listen carefully. Now here first we take number line. What is the difference between? So first we take 685. So what is the difference beta? 100. Means 6 is in 100's place, no? So you can write here 685 585 485 385 285 185. See, what is the difference? 100 is the difference. So here 685 minus 400. So what we get beta? 285. Means minus 400. So this is. Did you understand? So next you can write hundreds is completed, no? Now next tens. Tens means you can write from 285, 275, 265 like that only. So you can write here 285, 275, tens places, 265, 255, 245, 235, 225, 215, next 205, next 195, next 185, like that only. So you can write. See here, 285 is, this is the 285. Next, so 100's place is completed. Next we have to go to 10's place. 4 is in 10's place, 40. 40 is subtracted from 285 beta. So how many steps we have to take? 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not here, you can count here to here, here to here. This is first step, second step, third step, fourth step. So minus 40. Next minus 8 means here 235, 245, 235 minus 8. Minus 8. What we get beta? So 237. 237. See, first we subtract 400 from 685, you can get 285. Next 10's place, you have to go to 10's place. Here 40. So 40 subtracted from 285, you can get 245. Next one's place 8. So 8 is subtracted from 285, you can get 237. 237 lies between 235 and 245. So see, listen carefully. So it is clear. What is that? It is clear that 685 minus 448, you can get 237. Means here one subtraction facts it can give two addition facts beta. See here, therefore it can be said that 685 minus 237, you can get 448. See, so 685 is the number, minus 237 you can get 448, or 448 plus 237, you can get 685. One subtraction facts, it can give two addition facts. Did you understand? So now next, what are problems on addition and subtraction? This is also very important. Now next, at a leisure show in a resort, 72,853 people sat on benches and 21,547 people stood along the street. At a leisure show in a resort, 72,853 people sat on benches. Bench paina 72,853 people కూర్చున్నారు బేట people. Next, 21,547 people stood along the street. Street వెంబడి కూర్చున్నారు. How many people standing along the street are lesser in number compared to the ones sitting on the benches? We need to follow these steps to solve the problems on addition and subtraction. First, what is given? ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? What do I need to know? నేను ఏం చేయాలి? How do I solve it? నేను ఎలా ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి? Should I do addition or subtraction? అది addition or subtraction? Is my answer correct or not? మరి నా ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టా కాదా? See, listen carefully. Read the problem carefully and understand it properly. They follow the above mentioned steps. What is given? 72,853 people sat on benches. Means here, number of people sat on benches is equals to 72,853. 21,547 people stood along the street. Means the number of people stood along the street is equals to 21,547. What do I need to know? See here, by what number is the number of people standing along the street lesser than the ones sitting on the bench? So here, how do I solve it? Should I addition or subtraction? See here, in this problem, it is clear that people sitting on the benches are more in number than the ones standing in the street. Street లో కూర్చున్న దానికంటే బెంచెస్ పైన కూర్చున్న వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నారు. In order to find out how many people standing along the street are lesser in number compared to the ones sitting on the benches, we have to do subtraction. So you can do subtraction method. See, it is very clearly, generally you can subtract 72,000, just I can explain, listen carefully. 72,853 people sat on the benches. Next, 21,547 people stood along the street. See here, 21,547 people. So you can do subtraction. See, while you are doing subtraction method, first subtract the digits in ones place. Here, 3 minus 7. So the given number arranged in column wise. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now see here, 3 minus 7 possible beta? Not possible. Now we have take borrowing from 5, it can give 10, 10 plus 3, 13 and 5 it can last 1 year 4. See here, 13 minus 7. What we get? 6. Next 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. So 51,306 more people sat on the benches. See here, so 51,306 people standing in the street were lesser in the number than ones sitting on the benches. So, is my correct answer? Mari the correct ena? So check is very important. See here, as we are subtracting the numbers, we need to get a smaller number than 72,853. Since here 51,306 is less than 72,853. See here, 51,306 is less than 72,853. So you can get 72,853 means by adding these two, you can get 72,853. See here, sum of 51,306 and 21,547 should be equal to 72,853. See, check it. 51,306 and 21,547. See here, 6 plus 7, 13, 3 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 2, 7. So you can get equal. Okay, so the answer is correct. Means here, lastly, what is the conclusion? One subtraction facts, it can give two addition facts. That is the conclusion. So now, and discuss about addition and subtraction from your activity book. Everybody open activity book. Activity book, page number 24 beta. Activity book, page number 24, addition and subtraction. See here, add the following 2-digit numbers. See here, 54 plus 32. While we are doing addition problems, so first we add the digits in ones place from right to left side. 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 3 8. 86. 23 plus 50, 26 plus 53. Say 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 5 7. Next 84 plus 15. 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 1 9, 99. Next 50 plus 20, 57 plus 20. 7 plus 0, 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. So here 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 2 7, the sum is 77. You can do remaining problems. See here 47 plus 58. Forty-seven plus 58 beta. 7 plus 8. 15. First we add the digits in ones place, that is 7 plus 8 15. In it 15 is a 2-digit number. So 5 is taking and right under ones column, 1 is carrying in tens place, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. So this is the last column of the given number, you can write it in directly. Now next 79 plus 63. First we add the digits in ones place, 9 plus 3 12. So 2 is taking and right under ones place, ones column, 1 is carrying in tens place. Now we add the digits in tens place along with carrying. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14. So there is no carry. Because this is the last column of the given number, you can write directly, that is 14. First we can write 4, next we can write 1, 14. You can do like that only. Now next do the following 3-digit addition. See here, 535 plus 444. First the given number, arrange it in column wise, and in the first we add the digits in ones place. 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 4 9. The sum is 979. Next 868 121. 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. The sum is 989. Next 732 145. First we add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 5 7. Next we add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 4 7. Next we add the digits in hundreds place. 7 plus 1 8. Sum is 877. Now next second row first one. Second row first one. Remaining problems you can do in first row. (947) plus 431. See here, first we add the digits in ones place. 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 3 7. 9 plus 4 13. 1378. That is the sum. Next 686 287. First we add the digits in tens place, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So 3 is taking and right under 1's place, 1 is carrying in 10's place. Next we add the digits in 10's place along with carrying. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. In it, 7 is taking and right under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Then after, next we add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So the sum is 973. Next, 573 plus 458. First we add the digits in 1's place, 3 plus 8, 11. In it 1 is taking right under 1's column, 1 is carrying in 10's place. Next we add the digits in 10's place along with carrying. So 13 in it, 3 is in 1's place, now taking and right under 10's column, 1 is in 10's place, then carrying in 100's place. Next we add the digits in 100's place along with carrying. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So this is the last column of the given number, you can write directly 10. So the sum is 1031. So remaining problem tomorrow. Okay, thank you everybody.